안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Jenny예요. Hello everyone, my name is Jenny and today we're talking about 해 드릴게요, which is used to offer to do a service or to help the listener in some way. So basically you're saying, I will do this action for you. 해 드릴게요, I will do it for you. 서 드릴게요, I will write it for you. 드리다 is the unconjugated form of 드릴게요, and 드리다 is the more polite form of 주다, to give. So you can say 해 줄게요, but that is less polite than 드릴게요. So that is why we're learning this form first. When you use this, the subject is always the first person. So it is I, me, or we. 제가 펜을 빌려드릴게요. I will lend you a pen. 제가 설명해 주세요. 설명해 드릴게요. 설명하다 is to explain. So 설명해 드릴게요. I will explain it to you. 찾아 드릴게요. I will look for it for you. 제가 재미있는 만화책을 추천해 드릴게요. 추천하다, to recommend. 만화책 is like comic book, cartoon book. 재미있는 is the adjective modifying form. So altogether, I will recommend a interesting or fun manhwa book for you. Irregulars. 돕다 becomes 도와드릴게요. You can memorize this just as a phrase and it will be very helpful. If you see someone struggling and you want to be nice, you can just say 도와드릴게요. I will help you. 들어드릴게요. I will listen. So 서원을 들어드릴게요. Again, the subject which has been dropped from this sentence is still I. 서원 is wish. So I will listen to your wishes. 만들어드릴게요. I will make it for you. 영어를 써드릴게요. I will write it in English for you. 주문번호로 불러드릴게요. I will call by your order number. 넣다 is to put. 물건을 비닐봉지에 넣어드릴게요. I will put your items, 물건, into a plastic bag, which in this case is referred to as 비닐봉지. 비닐 like vinyl. 봉지 is plastic bag as opposed to 가방, which you've learned as bag previously. If you go to a store, that is not what they call plastic bags. They say 봉지. So 봉지에 넣어드릴게요. I put your items in a plastic bag. If Kangmin Si and Annie Shi both go out to dinner and they want to be nice and pay for the other person's thing, they might get into a fight where Kangmin Si is saying, 오늘은 제가 사드릴게요. Today I will pay. And Annie might respond, 아니요, 오늘은 제가 사드릴게요. No, I will pay today. 다음에는 강민 씨가 점심을 사세요. 강민, you buy lunch next time. 여기서 제일 맛있는 음료는 주세요. 음료를 주세요. Please give me the most delicious drink or beverage here. 음료를 준비해 드릴게요. I will prepare the drink for you. What is the most delicious drink? It is banana 우유, banana milk. 보이다 is to be viewed, to be visible, to appear, or to show. So, if two grandfathers are together, one might ask, 손자하고 손녀의 사진을 좀 보여주세요. It's a bit long of a sentence. 손녀 is granddaughter, 손자 is grandson. 사진, picture, 좀 보여주세요. Please show me. So please show me pictures of your grandson and your granddaughter. 네, 사진을 보여드릴게요. Yes, I will show you the pictures. 젓가락을 사용할 줄 몰라요. I do not know how to use 젓가락, chopsticks. 사용하다 is to use. 줄 몰라요 is to not know how to do something. So I don't know how to use chopsticks. 그럼 then 제가 가르쳐 드릴게요. Then I will teach you how to use them. So what is the difference between 드릴까요 and 드릴게요? There's a bit of a difference. I want to make sure you're using the right one. So if you say 제가 창문을 열어드릴까요? You are asking if you should open something. You're asking a question. 열어드릴까요? Should I open it for you? But if you say 창문을 열어드릴게요, you are making a statement. You are saying, I will open this for you. I'm not asking your permission. I'm going to do this for you. So if you want to ask if you can open a window, 열어드릴까요? Should I open a window? If you are going to say, if you want to say, I am going to open a window, I'm not asking for your permission, you would say, 열어드릴게요. I will open the window for you. 주다 versus 드리다. We'll get into this a little bit more in depth in this video. So when a senior or elder does something beneficial for you, that is when you use 주다 but with honorifics, 시. So 주시다. 할머니, 물 한 잔 주세요. 어머니께서 저에게 선물을 주셨어요. Mother gave me a present. If you do something beneficial for a senior or elder, use 드릴게요. 드리다. 할머니, 문을 열어드릴게요. Grandmother, I will open the door. 문 is door. If you do something beneficial for your friend, you don't have to use honorifics. You can just use 해주다. So, 가르쳐줘요. Please teach me. 제 핸드폰으로 전화해줘요. Please call me on my phone. So, 드리다 humbles by lowering oneself through speech, and it can only be used when the speaker is your subject. So, if you are talking and you're the subject, that is when you use 드리다. She raises the subject person, not yourself, through speech. So, keep that in mind. It might be confusing, but you'll get used to it eventually. Here I have a graph that kind of shows you how things work. So if you are talking to your friend or your friend is talking to you, you use 주다. If you are talking to your senior or elder, use, well, if they give you something, you use 주시다. If you give them something, you use 드리다. If your seniors or elders give something to a friend, use 주시다. If your friend gives something to a senior or elder, use 드리다. So if you're in a restaurant, you may say, 저기요, excuse me, over here, Americano 한 잔 주세요. Please give me one glass of Americano. Please give me one Americano. 네, 준비해드릴게요. Yes, I will get that ready for you. I will make it for you. I will prepare that for you. So here, you are using 주세요, 주시다, because you are asking them to give you something. They are using 드리다 because they are doing something for you. They are placing you, the customer, above them by using 드리다. That is it for this long and confusing lesson, but this is, 존댓말 is probably the hardest it gets for this semester, so you've already made it through. 잘했어요. 다음에 봐요. See you later.